Exchange 2139 Exchange Review. In this video, we're going to show you that is it legit or is it a scam. First of all, this is a scam. So is 2139 regulated? Firstly, I'm going to show you that it's not. It's only registered as a money service business and MSB. So how you can simply, in other words, you can understand it as a business by any government agency. Registered does not imply regulated. Since the website offers 2139 features trading, the company must obtain a regulatory license to provide such services. This exchange is not. The red flags raises concern about the platform alignment with the legal requirements, exposing all its clients to risk of fraud. We thus advise you to avoid this platform. If you use such a platform to buy or sell crypto, you may end up losing your money under suspicious acts. Now, for the traders' reviews for the section, the not to our surprise, the forum warned us about dechatting a number of fake reviews for this company, and we have removed them. Not a good look for the platform. The feedback that remained was mostly negative for this platform, with investors expressing their frustrations losing money to the crypto hawks option available. There is also an insightful thread on the Reddit devoted to shady exchange, so give it a read. For this reason, we always encourage you to read user comments about a company before investing money. Complaints are indicative of cyber fraudsters such as Wave Solution. So who are they and what's their target? According to the website, 2139.com website domain was created in 2022 and brought by the scammer in April 2022. Since then, they have been using the exchange to target users who reside primarily in the following countries such as USA, Japan, and Italy. All these states are packed with heavy regulations as major financial hubs are there. So we will suggest you to avoid these type of application. Thank you so much for watching it.